Noba Orinkaho
Noba Orinkaho Otine na rukumi rwokutamira Oreba Omuntu Nagura Obupira kandi ndio mwihanga abanyankore bona bagamba Oluganda iwegaye kitanda nakisimba pampa mukashanje omuhindi yaka hati mgenure kangu za masuka ikono meje kaguma kandi no chimanya gayi tukashoma.
Ladies and gentlemen, omwami EDIO DAVIDS is here to watch Ankole Media msamo.
I'm actually happy to be here.
Yeah. All right, it's Ankole Media thing. This I'm a sober the sparks and one savage on it. Yes, sir. Chokwa ne chaman we bari subscribing, we bari liking. Chokwa ne chaman. It is over. I have one of the most trending artists as per now. Hey, TikTok I gonna go crazy like tinda mwanzere but nyenda tanichira. Noba Orinkaho
Noba Orinkaho Otine na rukumi rwokutamira Oreba Omuntu Nagura Obupira kandi ndio mwihanga abanyankore bona bagamba Oluganda iwegaye kitanda nakisimba pampa mukashanje omuhindi yaka hati mgenure kangu za masuka ikono meje kaguma kandi no chimanya gayi tukashoma.
Ladies and gentlemen, omwami EDIO DAVIDS is here to watch Ankole Media msamo.
I'm actually happy to be here.
Yeah. EDIO DAVIDS abantu nibibuza because lumenda kukumanya like right about now abantu benda kukumanya because obagire munongo mato bata tobaka kurebera one on one request or like in details, so that's why Ankole Media has reached out to you kugira ngo abarebi to kabanze bakomanya. So EDIO DAVIDS no
EDIO DAVIDS ni wamanya Obedi. Yani banyetani wamanya Obedi ninzarwa Bunyangabu. Nyangabu ekabiri Kabarole district, but now it's a district itself. So ninzarwa Bunyangabu muri Rwimi.
So you are Mtoro?
No, I'm not, but I grew up from there. Yeah, man.
So then omwami abaka so Kabarole Bunyangabu district.
Yeah.
Okay. So then wizota chintu wachija mota or wiza wachugwa mota. When was it and how did you get into the game?
Like to music. I can't do music like even since childhood. Konka ntakweshongora. Like I was writing and konko kuzomu studio nkatandika 2019. I was doing music konka I wasn't serious. Kuba serious I just started last year.
Last year.
Focus here.
But it's so hard for a Western artist kusanga ngo basakora these crazy numbers ombire buche munonga in a period of 1 year ukasanga ngo obasize kubano ikari ichona. Then what was your first song then?
Actually nkatandika it was last year but one. Yeah, nkatandika necheshongoro one bacheta litaka chupa. Yeah, na naye nkatandika na litaka chupa I think ukakuliko kwa mkaga last year but one. No, like nkatandika 2019 kungantali serious ndikore byanje, but then last year but one I think that was after lockdown and when atanche kuba serious, that is 2021 kuba serious nkomu kwa mukaga.
Then uija wakora chechupa then hakurata uchi like tereze nanga that sequence okubize ne
nkakora litaka chupa na iza kora litaka chupa na akora ite muhogo, kuna roja ite muhogo na akora OB na rugari OB na akora murinkahi, kuna roja hari murinkahi na akora ihanga, kuna roja
ihangaho nhocha. That's when it started going like crazy.
Yeah, like maybe abantu abinji niho bamanyire. Then kuna roja ihanga na akora aricho shongoro cha gospel by the when bacheta amen.
Gospel.
Yeah.
So dogs.
Yeah, it's a gospel ngati chiratambire mnonga. Then after amen na akora niyende sente. Kuna roja hari niyende sente na akora mumpeka abia. Ngemani.
So je ni odage.
Saho no turi. Turi hani mumpeka abia.
Yes, so kono umwazo wayo amuhura ejo niyo catalog yeye au kurugari leta kachipa up to leta abia mumpeka abia, and that's how it has been. Abantu nibebuza style yokora style yawe is so strange, like lyrics zawe no just handy quote because it's as if you relate to real life issues, then obanzo yamu that piece of art. Like how do you make it?
Actually, I sing about ebintu ebiri ninga ebimpikiro, like it is real life nkoko wakigamba ya. So I do music kusingira ebinareba ninga ebinkusubira ninga byabira ninga binandahurire ninga ebintu ebiri bimpikiro nkanyo muntu. So my music is real, like nibibaho, I relate to real life. So lyrics zone ziba ziriho kugira ngu ninza nkebe byaravi ebyokusitamo kaza kuronda lyrics ez'amani.
So you know iba bintu ebitebe tukora burizo.
So nyo nindebe bintu ebiriho ebizibe binkorabamo just imbifuramo. Maybe I just try to dance to my problems kugira ngu I sing about them in a funny way. Dance to them. That is.
Niyo mwihanga by the way tukabye niyo mwihanga
Abanyankore bona bakego Uganda. But waliwo Nagura Omuntu.
So it's like the broken part of Uganda. Kandi ibintu bikubaho no burizo deni tuchatwariba then recently chicha mumpeka bia. There is a line Noba Orinkaho.
Noba Orinkaho Otine nangwa na chikumi Oreba Omuntu Nagura. Anyway, it is like Noba Orinkaho Otine nangwa ni sente zokulya nkore Omuntu Nagura nk'ebintu ebitali necessary mnonga. That is the point. Noba Orinkaho Oreba Otine nangwa na rukumi rokuri Omuntu Nagura Obupira.
Obupira chibito. Obupira tuine boro tuine tundubare tuine
aropira tare arompira by the way a ball then hariho obupira.
So mcheshongoro kano manisa obupira
obupira bw'abashamba no yaya no.
Ladies and gentlemen, usakana gamba obupira bw'abashamba ni okoniyo mukusisira center wayi batine rancha. That is by the way echo nechinta chibechi so strange because Western Uganda bana nebeshongora maybe na ebinaga byarebere nankana yeshongora ubundo shanga ngo line zabo nzishana, but your style is so unique. Iwo toragizire mu bwo mukutandiko kajotunga square inte bina kwashongora abantu bakubukunda kweli because like enjoy like it's like it's so creative but funny in a way. So iwe kagumiza umuzo cyati nyonyenda gukora style ije style yawe sort of nkamoni je kwa kore ibintu like iwe toragizire mu bwo kugira ngo ukore nk'abandi ko bakora.
Actually in the start nkaba ninyeshongora love music and actually I'm a good writer. You
look to be according to your lyrics.
Sorry?
You look to be a good writer from
good writer. So I write actually mostly love songs. The habandu was a shongora. So
then a song that you song with you like it's making around so far.
Yeah.
Talk about all these big people.
I have written for JK's. Abo.
What's that?
Abo. For your love I go die. That is. Then there is another song called Indota. They were all on the album. I don't think. Was it Genesis? Something. I think it is. So I wrote that. I'm working with other artists. They are not but I've worked with a lot of artists. So nyonka music age, of course. No music age. I don't music to it's trend today, like love music. Ray Jack is I had to love music, and I felt that is enough for Ray G, T Paul. Music, you love music, but there is another type of music at so not Ankole. And can't they church like a can in quarter like never been to be a song or aho, Dikubi rating aho. Nabandi konkara habandi abakufeeling ankanye like abinebizibu nkebyanje. Yes, we n'abantu binja binebizibu nkebyanje because we are in the same society. So nkagishanga ninje enjoying amnonga because nanyi nekizibu mwanya gukugire naku ninje shongoraho and people laugh about it konka behind those lyrics actually there's a lot of pain.
Of course, abantu yes nabija ko bachikora mu fun but after getting the information
konka there is a lot of pain like nimbani nyeshongore bizibu ebya abantu bakura bamuninga nyo ebinkora bamukonka abantu abinji ne babitwara nkafane.
Wagamba achabana buwa like abana buwa abukozere nabo bataka tujire limelight kiyo ine sofa like who are they because that right now niwo bakorera because waja koko wachigamba boto bakabwine that chance to be recognized to this extent. So iwe abana like who are they like if they are to mention them?
Those people have written songs for or what I've worked for, I don't know. I'd whole gospel artist, but I think I don't know if it is a gospel artist only money now. I think is it is not yet out. I think it's called Isaac T. I think I have a song with him. nebingi timukuba because nyowe ninchira kubeera Kamwenje by the way. So I work to ninkora na beshonga z'aba Kamwenje munonga bali around muno muntu nkagiremu ngo nkule n'abantu bingi around, but in Kamwenje there are people bali na Siro, Wizen Boy, ni bingi munonga.
Then iwe uko kwijamo nanka like iwe nanka ebyeshongoro byawo muko bitambuza kora ngo byaza kutikoma matugitu, like what was the journey behind, because niwe ni manga at one point ukabori nkaba like those guys abataka bigwine limelight ukija wafuna ba promoters ikintu cyakuja waja ngo bese nja munongo muri Kamwenga kuja chikaiko mbara chikachira mu mukono ki
kuza kuikoma mbara nkija mbara like I be in Barara these days munonga so nkija mbarara kandi ekindi wala music yanje tinkwetaga kumanza kushobora ngo gikunde yowe nkawagihura noriange kwasireho abantu abinji nibagererating ngaho nyone mbyeshongora bye byanje konka twina abantu binja bine bizibu nkanye, so abantu abinji nibagikunda kugira ngo it talks to them, like maybe talks about them ebintu ebibakurabamo, so it becomes easy kushangu no wachifuna na chamutahiwe no shanga like at when you nkokuna releasing this song mumpeka be how it is my music, yeah? Like noza kushanga no muntu utakumanya achina status
because it's menga,
yeah. So Noba Orinkaho Otine omuntu akuja naribeche shongo cha wa status, do you know this person, you know nanye ninkuri chikuwasa ngati nkusubira ngo echinkora nichibasa kumpisa echechindo.
So you still need promoters?
Yes, I need promoters.
Yes. By the way, do you have a management so far in terms of music? Yeah, winning if there's, because here there are people about watching Ankole Media to do a lot of things. Some want to wenda kumanya, then others want to supporting the talents. Like if there's any manager there, are you signed so far?
Anyway, I won't say that I have a management, but I have a family that I work with. Yeah, Jakino Music, Konka. We are not doing kujirangu. It is a family. Tikujangu ni management area because they are just helping. Imiko kuba no manyomuntu okajangu. Let's help this guy. Not even expecting anything in return. Yeah. So we don't have. We didn't even actually like sign any document. So we are.
It's not yet like
yeah,
that official.
So they are my family. We work together like. But we don't. They just have to kujangu in management area. It's serious mnonga.
So if there is any manager, should they come on board?
Yeah, if there is any manager, yeah, kungano kujangu na management stizangu by the way.
What do you look for in a manager? I can't answer camera. Like you guys, this guy needs. This guy deserves a push because manager amutwaye naza kusanga ina habira yashire. So like tweta kusinda korotami because tokanja because akutuaza kumrecognize injira kumanya ngo arotiza kutonora tutazambira mtatu amuronda, so it means he's big enough to that extent. So nyana ngo gambile like what do you look for in a manager so far?
The management of course ekyokubanza, I am an artist, I do music, so I want music jirangu anyway everything kasheme kuba nimbugambira because we should sit and agree. You're just searching kugamba if someone is there serious because it is a lot of things that we should talk about before making that deal.
Marcels, you should sign this guy for sure because I've always endorsed you and I've always done that since from the first time I heard your songs. I saw that you're worth being celebrated, you're worth being given a chance. So if there's anyone for sure now, you guys managers, because people you have struggling talents. Like this is an already made talent. You're quite mukache just starting that right now. Guys, no call like a few videos. Videos no audio.
6 videos. Of course, like my 3 last songs is in a video.
And one of the songs every break into the internet.
Yeah.
That's a change with the music of Western Uganda. Like Omuntu Nagura Obupira manager yarabira okunda mukwata ebero bibiri because na kandi ni mwabe songozi mine maka kantu bakwata ebero bibiri the next day of na management ya singaho you are mu yonyine today ogisigaho. So I think they also did someone consistent, so if you are ready to be, I'm sure you're going to get one. And then to your fans right now,
bafans bona actually bafans abinja banze nyone mangu tinkubamanya
You don't.
Yeah, you don't. There are very many. So I just want to thank them. They bakwabambiriraho Brad. Like doing a song changu. You release a song omuntu atwala time ye akozesa data ye akola TikTok video. Arabanda bine byeshongoro actually bingi konka ni bingi munonga like bulizwana ba releasing ebyeshongoro bingi. Konka washanga nguno taking time yawe you use your data make a video. Ninkwabaza munonga webara bakubiteka status mwebare munonga konka kandi endongo yonji ne Brad like even next year endongo yero mazima I promise them music
kabeya koreta yalenga nka Arian skill
music abuli omena njira na ine ebiroto bye so Arian skin wena arange ebiroto bya bichirize that is gonganyo ninde wange byanje tinka bichize because I want to be an artist. Actually ninyenda kuba artist woman munonga enchokola actually nkokwana ngambira kunje yangu tinkwemanya but nyowe ninde wangu I haven't even started like I have you know rugendo rwama.
I think it's high time because it's high time you start believing in yourself because you have people who believe in you before you do.
I do of course so jangu tinkweyikiriza mukabe ntakola music kujangu I do a song na nyesa kari nkore chinde chimayisambu ni nyichirizamu but nyene like I want to be an artist muhango munonga like maybe ubantu batakubasana kutechereza ngunarugo mu Western Uganda yeah so nimbasaba bampagire like ababine bampagira you should subscribe to my social media handles Instagram hona nikwesa EDIO DAVIDS oba TikTok hona EDIO DAVIDS mwebale munonga mwebale.
So ladies and gentlemen, and everybody sparks okomsa kumwamureba like this guy needs a chance for sure. Mumuhire chance but now it's high time we take it to the next level because we have given people chances. I think he's also worth one. So now everybody sparks na bangina savage Camila see you when he says Noba
Orinkaho Otine na rukomero okutamira Oreba Omuntu Nagura Obupira kandi ndio mwihanga abanyankore bona bagamba Uganda iwe gaye standa na Simba pampa mukashanje omuhindi yaka hati mgenure kangu za masuka.